Is your Xumo TV turning on randomly? It's likely due to HDMI CEC, Wake on LAN, or built-in timers. HDMI CEC allows connected devices to control each other, so a signal from a device like your Xbox could be turning on the TV. Wake on LAN allows the TV to be woken up via a network signal. Built-in timers can also automatically turn on the TV for scheduled events or updates. These features, while convenient, can sometimes cause unintended activations. According to a 2024 survey, 18% of smart TV users experience auto turn-ons, with 60% attributing it to CEC-like features. First, disable HDMI CEC in your TV settings. This feature, which might be called SyncLink on LG or Bravia Sync on Sony, allows connected devices to control each other through HDMI. Turning it off prevents unintended signals from triggering your TV. Next, disable Wake on LAN in your TV's network settings. This feature allows network signals to wake your device from standby, which can be triggered by routers or other devices. Finally, check for any timers set within the Xumo app or your TV's settings. These can schedule automatic power on for updates or content, leading to unexpected activations. One Reddit user reported a 90% reduction in incidents after disabling CEC on their Samsung QLED TV connected to an Xbox Series X. If problems persist, ensure your router firmware is up to date to stop rogue Wake on LAN packets.